What's the benefits of using steam to clean the interior of your vehicle? It kills germs. It's odorless. You don't have to use very harsh chemicals when you're using steam. It works on all surfaces: carpet, plastic, leather, vinyl. So all the surfaces of the interior of the vehicle can be cleaned. You can actually use it to get in between certain areas like the cracks that you may not otherwise reach. So you can pump steam through your vents, in between the seats, other small areas that may be hard to reach otherwise. So with steam, you get a odorless, germ-free, sanitized interior.